Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset forgotten Windows 11 password. Boot with Windows 11 bootable CD or USB. Press Shift and F10 keys to get command prompt. Type diskpart. Type list space, volume. Select C drive volume. Type select space, volume space, 1. Type assign space, letter equal sign C. Type exit. Type copy space, /Windows /System32 utilman.exe space, /. Type copy space, /y space, /Windows /System32 cmd.exe space, /Windows /System32 utilman.exe. Type exit. Exit Windows installation. Click accessibility icon. Type net space, user space, your username space, newpassword. Type exit. Login with new password. Shut down system. Boot with Windows 11 bootable CD or USB. Press Shift and F10 keys to get command prompt. Type copy space, /utilman.exe space, /Windows /System32. Type yes to continue. Type exit. Exit Windows installation. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.